Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your wallpaper on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just right click on your desktop, then just go to personalize, and you can access your personalization menu in other ways too. Just close this, just right click on the start button, go to settings, then from the left hand menu, just click on personalization. And there's one more way to access this. Just close this. Just go to your search bar and search for settings. Then just open up settings. Then from the left hand menu, go to personalization. So that's three methods to go to personalization. Now from here, just go to background. Now from here, you can change your background images to anything you want. Let me just minimize this so that you can see my background change. As you can see, I can change my background from here. And if you don't want any pictures, what you can do is just click on this and click on solid color. This will allow you to have solid colors as your wallpaper. You can also choose different patterns and shades of other colors as well. After that, just click on solid color again to get the drop down menu. From here, you can select slideshow. And from here, you can click on browse and select all of your images. If you have any pictures downloaded of you or any other wallpaper, you can use those. There's a timer here. This is the timer after how many minutes the picture changes to the other pictures. You can set the max to 1 day and the minimum to 1 minute. You can shuffle the picture order or you can keep it in the same serial. And you can choose the fit for your desktop. And the last thing you can do is select Windows Spotlight. Now what this will do is, this will get you one new wallpaper daily from Windows. This is basically a Windows suggestion. So you'll get a new wallpaper every single day. And you can just select picture or whatever you like. I like this, so I'm just gonna select this. And that's basically how to change your wallpaper on Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.